now they put visas because there were a lot of people who were filing refugee claims from Mexico and Canada. So whenever that happens, the government puts that back. And, you know, so I'm sure some people had very legitimate claims for refugee status, but there may have been some people who were advised to do so just because they heard that they can get an open work permit, which is very problematic because once you go down the road of refugee claim, you don't go back. You
cannot fix your status any other way.
And, you know, sometimes people don't really get the proper advice as to what they need to do in order to get permanent residence. For example, you know, if they were an engineer and they had a job as an engineer or even as a technician, we could have gotten a work permit for them under the free trade agreement, and they could have gotten permanent residence in 6 months. You know, a lot of different kinds of options that you might be able to get much more easily if you have the right advice as to how to do it.